Today, may nahanap akong game. Meet a friend. Yes. At lalaro ko na to before. Malakas-lakas na rin ako dito. So, syempre, pag malakas, wag. Lalaro tayo ng Troll Button Tower. Let's see. Di ko pa nalalaro to, promise. I promise. Pero nag-join ako sa group nila. Ay, hindi pala. Kala ko ayun. Nag-join ako sa group nila. Tapos, 1 second ko lang to nilalaro. Naglalag sila. Grabe. I'm gonna troll. Got it. Got it. Got him. Got. Naglag. No! Oh my! I really go. Alright. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I would not do that. What the hell happened there? What the? Guys, for 40, not for today's video, pero sa next na video ko, mag-a-act akong si Siyok. Alright. No! The time. I'm also wearing Fulton Family. I hope Fulton sees this vid and sees that I'm wearing Fulton Family merch. Really, bro? Really? One night gone by, moonlight doesn't matter. What the hell was happening there? By the way, I'm also learning just how to stream, cause I don't know how. Just like that, boom, teleported. I don't know. Look. What? Sheesh. There's no one. Forty days video. What are y'all doing? You're not good trolls. I can beat this in like 1 minute. Right, start the timer. 3, 2, 1. JK, joking. I cannot beat this under 1 minute. I'm not like Syok. He can beat this like in under 6 seconds. He can beat this in like 1 second. Like, bro. Bro is just a pro. King Syok. I wish I meet King Syok in like, China, Korea. Oh, Korean pala si, Oh, so Syok is Korean? Okay. Haha, that was easy. Oh, okay. I'm a legend Thanos. Red, yellow, orange, green. I'm a legend Thanos. Red, yellow, orange, green. Am I right? Red, yellow, orange, and green. Red, yellow, orange, green. So I was just chilling, playing up and away by Juice, and then I think I needed a video right now. Guys, comment down below if you think Siok is the GOAT. I also love Ronaldo, bro. Remember that one time when Speed ate soap? And then he said, the f you mean chocolate challenge? Bro, you're gonna suffocate. I tried that once eating soap, like just one bite. I went to the hospital. Nah, I'm just kidding. You wonder why my voice sounds like this? I just freaking woke up from bed. Yeah, bro. Sheesh, 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 sheesh. I got. I'll see how to focus on it all. I get the millions and I fall back. And the chameleon. Change. They need some change. Bro, really? Every freaking time. Every time. I get karma. I need some change. No one's gonna change. Oh, got a troll. I'm ahead. Somebody blocks this. Like, is this for real? And see how you pocket on it all. Get the millions and the fall back. Fall back. Karma is real, right? Let's just wait for somebody to come. Thank you. Like that. Alright, let's just not mess around anymore. Wait. Oh! That almost gave me a heart attack, bro. I'm gonna destroy my... Just kidding. Right. No! Oh! If I would've fall, mama. If I would've fall there, then oh, mama. Guys, do you think this is safe? Of course no. What the? Let it goes through. They need some change. I had jump. I say jump. Jump. Oh, dito pala. So, jump. No one can beat always the trolls. No one ever will ever. Like, oh, oh, thank God. King Seok first. Alright. The number one Obi Tower wins is Seok. Seok. King Seok. Why no Seok? Why? Bro, that thing is slippery. Yo, God. Damn, bro. These all disappear. Alright, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.